help me, give me the strength. May I not take what isn't mine, but may I not return empty-handed. As I move from one nation to another people, everywhere I go, temptation calls. As I run from my past to find a future, only one I know to call. Also nyangumo karumkum ejune kakamken abo kakamkiri. Also nyangumo karumkum ejune kakamken abo kakamkiri. Every day I wake up saying prayer, Lord, keep me lest I fall, hold me lest I drop, 'cause they come from the left, right, front, center. Can't please everyone and still smile. I know I'm not getting younger, Lord, I need you. Karumkum ejumne kakamken abo kakamkiri. Also young mo karumkum ejumne kakamken abo kakamkiri. Lord, you made a way when our backs were against the wall.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Okpe. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Yo, I feel very excited today. So I decided to create this beautiful look. I didn't know what I was going for that day, but then yeah, this is where we turned up and I loved it. So I wanted our skin to pop, and then we literally just went in with highlighter, moisturizer, foundations. I didn't use a matte foundation on her. I used a dewy foundation because I wanted her to look skin like. This is a new technique I've been trying, like using brushes to apply foundations first, then beauty blender to like even it out. So you guys already know my routine. I don't want to be talking too much, you know, just so I will not bore you people. Yeah, so I went in with concealer for under eye, but then I saw that this shade was a little bit too close to her, so I took a lighter shade and yeah, did the whole concealing and highlighting and contouring, blah blah blah. You know the drill, guys.
And it looked as if it was over. You made a way. Now we're standing here only because you made a way. Lele, 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 oh, lele, oh, lele, lele, mo, oh. Searching my head. Lele, 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 oh, lele, oh, lele, oh, lele, mo. Kakamengo.
So after I did my highlighting and contouring, the cream highlighting and contouring, I set it with powder and then powder contour, reverse contour. You guys know the drill. To contour her nose, I went with a powder that is a bit lighter. That's NW48, so that I won't just draw crazy lines on her nose because she's really light. Then I reverse contoured with a translucent powder because it's easier to dust and it doesn't leave any streaks. I also did her nose to be sharper, basically. Moving on to her brows, I use one of my favorite pencils, the Mismetics pencil. I love it because it just gives this soft brown feelings, soft brown look, I guess, and I can control the intensity I want, if I want it really dark or really soft, and also get my hair like strokes pretty easy.
kakamke, abo abo kakamkiri. Ooh.
Shante hallelujah, yeah. Halle shante halle halai. When you wake up in the morning sun.
Damn, girl, this brows is snatched. Whoosh! So I decided to dust off some of the powders on her face because I don't want her face to be too matte and cakey. So I dusted it off before I moved into the eyes.
Give praise to God who keeps you alive.
So I just decided to like bleach her brows a bit and take it from, even though it wasn't so dark, but take it from dark to light because she's really light. She's light skinned, so it will look more natural.
Shante hallelujah, yeah. Halle shante halle halai. When you wake up in the morning sun.
For the eyes, I'm using this Mood Beauty eyeshadow palette in Bow Cap, and I started with the green transition. I know it's very unlike me. I'm usually using my oranges, but then I went green this time, and I just started with the lighter green and then I built it up into like deeper shades. So now I started from green and I'm in blue, and I just like darkened it more and more. I think I added a little bit of like navy blue, almost black, and then I cut her crease. I wasn't sure what I was going for, but then I knew I wanted it to look really nice, so I guess yeah. After cutting her crease, I set the lid with a white eyeshadow, also from that palette, and then the waterline with this teal pencil from Binwa Cosmetics, lashes and all that. And then I set her under eye too. I wanted the blue to pop a bit more, so I took it away from her waterline into her skin. Yeah.
When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante, 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 shante.
I think highlighting the nose is one of my favorite parts. Like, look at that. Yes. I just love it. Like, it's just, you can really easily get it wrong, but I love it. So I'm just highlighting the high points of her face, her nose, bridge of her nose, her brow bone, and her cupid's bow. Just the usual.
Every morning I wake, I praise God for these faces I see. This air that I breathe, I still see some haters who won't come take it from me. Put me down 6 feet, lay me down as a rug so they trample on me. But I give thanks, yes, and I bless God cause he's standing by me. Through all of the stress and the madness, recess and my upgrades, all day all the
For the first lip option, I chose this brown and coral look. And it was just supposed to like mimic a natural lip color shade, like, so yeah, that's what I did. The second lip look was just a try and error. Yes, I'm using a spatula to apply a lip gloss. Call police. So your before and after, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A round of applause for Okpe. Sorry, earpiece users, love you. So guys, this is the final look. I struggled with the turban a bit because it was my first time, but then yeah, we killed it. I did 2 lip choices. Yep, this is it. It was a bit daring, but then I've had the lip color for years. I decided to use it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you like most about this look, and also your best lip choice. Is it the nude or the edgy one? I love you guys. Thanks for hanging with me. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I love you. Kisses. Peace out.
So I fear not what you say. I'm the son of the sun, alive of the one, chilling on top like a cloud on the run. So even if you stood and pointed a gun and pulled the trigger, now yourself you go burn. I did twilight, Papa, which way I pray. Never let him slip or slide me, ride me, Oluwa, raise me. Let me take to flight, stretch out my wings in this fight. I seize it clear, I'm getting it right. Swear I shante a morning and shante a night.
Shante hallelujah, yeah. Halle shante halle halai. When you wake up in the morning sun, Give praise to God who keeps you alive. Chante hallelujah, oh yeah. Halle, chante, halle, halle. Hey. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise to God who keeps you alive. Hey, hey. Chante, hey. Chante, chante, chante. When you see the birds flying high up in the sky, all of them they like to chante. And when you see the trees, the breeze they blow them all around, all of them they like to chante. You say you worship a God your eyes cannot see, but you surely stand alone if you do not believe in me. I made the heavens and the earth, I made the sky, I made the sea, I made the universe, and everything therein bows to me. Oh Lord, I pray you shall not destroy humanity if you will only see the rainbow in me. This is why me, I dey chante anywhere, everywhere where me I dey. From the Monday to the Sunday, na ututu na abane say. See, I am nothing without you, and we are so hopeless and helpless without you. So we chante hallelujah, oh yeah, and we halle chante halle halle. When you wake up in the morning sun, give praise unto Jehovah on high. Chante hallelujah, yeah. You halle, chante halle, halle. When you wake up in the morning sun, I will give praise unto Jehovah for life. Chante, chante.